So Hoosier Energy owns and operates 3 landfill gas to energy facilities in Indiana and Illinois, and we're standing at one of those this afternoon. And this is an operating landfill in which municipal solid waste that come from your households gets collected and brought here with garbage trucks, and then it gets buried. And then we're able to take that garbage as it decomposes, collects the gas, and turn it into energy. And so you can see behind there's garbage being buried. Part of that process then is it gets capped, and that's the grassy areas that's up and behind us. And then they come through and they take collections out of that, or drill holes into it for a collection system for the gas. And the gas comes through and gets processed. We pull a vacuum on the gas because this landfill is several square miles in surface area, and so there's thousands and thousands of feet of collection and numbers of wells. So we pull a vacuum on that in order to collect the gas to send to a centralized point. Once that landfill gas gets here, it goes through the chilling process in which we take antifreeze and we chill that with an air conditioning unit, a very large air conditioning unit, in order for the gas and water separation. So it's our first processing point. That leachate, or water that gets condensed out as condensate, gets sent back to the landfill, and then the gas continues its process through the system. After it leaves the dehydration units, it moves on and goes through a filtration process through siloxane removal equipment that you see here, and that takes the materials out of it that could damage the turbine. After the gas, it gets the siloxanes removed through the siloxane removal system, it goes through the compression stage. And you see the very large compressors behind us in order to feed it into the gas turbines themselves. So the gas has to be compressed to several hundred psi as it enters into these solar gas turbines, in which it's then combusted and spins a generator on the backside to excite the electrons at this particular facility. On the backside of the plant, then it goes through a transformation process and gets transformed up to distribution voltage and sent out into the distribution network. Landfill gas is an important component of Hoosier Energy's efforts to reach 10% of our energy served to our members through green renewable resources.